You are driving down the road, and suddenly your automatic transmission feels like it has a mind of its own, shifting harshly, slipping out of gear, or completely losing power. If your check engine light is glowing and your scanner spits out a code P07AB, your engine control module is warning you that transmission friction element E is mechanically or hydraulically stuck in the applied position. This sounds like an absolute nightmare that will require completely rebuilding your entire gearbox, but before you panic and hand over your keys to a transmission shop, let us look at what is actually happening inside the case. Inside your automatic transmission, there are multiple sets of clutch packs or friction elements that constantly engage and disengage to shift gears smoothly and seamlessly. The letter E simply designates a specific clutch pack or hydraulic circuit in your specific transmission. When the computer commands this particular clutch to release but detects through the speed sensors that it is still firmly grabbing, it triggers this fault code and usually throws your car into a harsh fail-safe mode to prevent destroying the internal planetary gears. While this can certainly mean the internal friction material is physically melted together or completely worn out from years of abuse, you should always check the fundamental stuff first. The absolute lifeblood of your transmission is the automatic transmission fluid. If your fluid is drastically low, burnt to a black crisp, or filled with thick metal debris, the hydraulic pressure cannot properly release that clutch pack. I cannot tell you how many times a proper fluid and filter service has revived a transmission that felt completely dead. Another surprisingly common and easily overlooked culprit is having mismatched tire sizes on your car. If you just threw a used tire on one corner that is slightly taller or shorter than the rest, the computer sees different wheel rotational speeds, panics, and can actually trigger internal transmission codes because it thinks the drivetrain is slipping. Always verify your fluid level and condition first, then carefully inspect the main electrical junction connector on the outside of the transmission for any water intrusion, transmission fluid leaks, or melted wires before you start pricing out a massive mechanical rebuild.